Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic filter. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new air filter, a screwdriver, and a clean rag. Having good lighting will also make the process much easier. These simple items are all you need to successfully complete this maintenance task and keep your car running smoothly. Next, open your Honda Civic's hood and secure it safely. Locate the air filter housing, which is typically a black plastic box near the engine. Depending on your model, you'll either unclip the fasteners or unscrew the cover. Once open, carefully lift out the old, often dirty, air filter. Note its orientation for the new installation. Now, before installing the new filter, take a moment to wipe away any debris inside the housing with your clean rag. Carefully place the new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and is oriented correctly, just like the old one. Once it's perfectly seated, reattach the housing cover, ensuring all clips or screws are securely fastened. This prevents air leaks. Finally, give all the clips or screws on the air filter housing a quick double check to ensure everything is tight and secure. Then, carefully lower and close your car's hood. Changing your air filter regularly is a simple yet crucial maintenance step. It significantly improves engine performance, enhances fuel efficiency, and extends the life of your Honda Civic's engine. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.